Welcome to the exclusive webinar uh, that is called as College to Corporate, because we know that there is a huge gap between education and the corporate or the MNC or the actual jobs. Okay, and this is an internship program hosted by Techmiya Solutions, going to be conducted or executed by Techmiya EdTech and approved by VTU. So why we are doing this, and we will, before we discuss the agenda of today's webinar, okay, let me just show you what you are gonna get by attending this webinar. Okay, so this is something very interesting and very exciting thing from my side. Okay, and I hope you guys are also excited to know what you're gonna get if you do this webinar, and also like if you do internship with us. Okay, so please stay till the end of this webinar so that you can understand, and we'll reveal the offer at the end of the webinar. Okay, what are we are going to offer you, what benefits you are going to get by doing this internship. Okay, so before we begin, okay, so who am I to tell you, or why am I conducting this webinar? Okay, so as a person myself, as a human myself, my name is Yasin, and Yasin means a insan. Okay, means basically it's in my name means human being. Okay, so as a human being, we are on the top of the uh, animal kingdom. Okay, so why? Because of our intellectuals. Intellectual means we have questioning skills. Okay, so I myself, whenever I was learning or listening to somebody or taking suggestions or advice, whatever it is, I want to know who is this person, because somebody simply comes and start telling me what they are doing, what I have to do. I seriously don't want to who are you? Okay, that will be the first question. So let me first introduce myself so that you know that we're listening to me, and doing this, means attending this session. Okay, so my name is Muhammad Yasin Shahbaz. Right now, I am Currently, I am known as the CEO of Techmiya. Okay, so my journey started from the day I was born. Okay, so but as an education journey, so I did my schooling, and after that I did my computer science. Sorry, that PUC, PCMB I did. After that, I did electronics and communication engineering. So my engineering journey started when I did engineering and electronics and communication. So I was an embedded electronics guy. After 2016, as every engineer knows, most of the engineers I can say, after completing engineering, we don't know what we should do. Okay, so I was also confused, and then I remembered, like I have done electronics communication, so why not to do something related to that? So I joined an embedded course with Subhash programming classes, and I did there 3 months. Okay, so after that, I joined Huawei. But let me first complete my educational background. After I have the master's degree in computer science from JNTUA University, and then I'm currently doing doctorate in business administration from Golden Gate University, San Francisco. So I have electronics background, I have computer science background, I have management background also, business administration background also. So that was my educational journey, and then I have my professional journey. And 2016 November, I started as a C++ embedded developer. So when I started as a C++ embedded developer in Huawei, uh, first when I joined the company, first month it was fun. Okay, I was just learning about the company and doing some training courses and all. But after 1 month, first day when I got deployed on the project which I have to do, as I said, I'm a person. Okay, I asked a lot of questions. So when I saw the project, I asked, okay, how, whether it is a new project or an old project, or how, what kind of project is okay, what I'm gonna learn, as a person who has my career growth, what I'm gonna learn if I do this project. So when I asked that question to me, and when I went to the project, it was a 30-year-old technology. It was NTS and VPN service. Okay, basically I can explain you about my project. That is like if you give 100 100 call, okay, it goes to a nearest police station. Okay, so that routing part of the code which Airtel service or Geo or any other company provides you, that code has to be written by my team, that is a network translation service team. And there was a VPN service. So when you call to college, the reception will receive the call, and if you tell them, okay, I want to talk to principal, they will forward it. That service is called as virtual private network. So VPN and NTS services is what I worked on. So when I started seeing that project, it was like very huge project, but I was a C++ developer. But as a developer, I wanted to write the scratch code because I learned C and C++. I wanted to write the scratch code. But what I observed was there was a drag and drop thing. I have to write code, but very rarely. So when I completed engineering, I didn't know anything. After completing engineering, I went 3 months of coaching under Subhash programming classes. I went under coaching. When I went into coaching, I used to work from morning 6 to night till night to learn programming because I didn't know anything. I have to become a very good expert within that remaining 3 times. 4 years, I didn't worry about what should I be. But after completing engineering, because of the social pressure and everybody's this thing, we have to answer our relatives, right? Whether we have a job or not. So for that reason, okay, I put all the efforts to learn. So when I joined here, I realized I will forget everything because uh, my project when I have to implement it, it's not gonna be like, okay, I have to uh, entire theory what I learned and what I'm gonna use, that will be very niche. What I have to use is very niche. I don't have to do each and every part what you have learned, but I'll forget because very it is like human memory is volatile. We will forget it if I don't use it. Okay, you might have experienced, you have learned something, because of you didn't use it, you have forgotten it. So I would forget it. So what I did is like, I wanted the theory to be also be remembered by me. I don't want it to forget it. I want to use it somewhere. So in company, the Monday to Friday I couldn't do it. So in Saturday and Sundays I started helping my friends, okay, to who have not got jobs, okay, to and started training them so that I don't forget and my friends could also get benefit out of it. So one fine day happened that, okay, one of not a friend, okay, came to me and he was like, okay, I'll pay you for this. So that is where my training journey started. He paid me 1,000 rupees and I bought a board and a chalk and this thing from his money. And that is how from zero my career as a trainer and a tech company started. Parallelly it was started. So Saturday Sundays I used to do this thing. So anyway, after completing 2 years in C plus embedded developer, after 2 years, okay, whoever was MNC, it was 9,000 people working there. And then I started a company called as Accenture Technologies. Okay. As a fresher, as a 22-year-old, okay, I didn't knew, okay, I thought, okay, I could do everything in the world. Okay. So I started a company to provide web applications, websites to the companies, B2B business also, okay, and B2C also, where I can train people, where I can do projects for the people. So any kind of thing related to technology, X means that variable maths thing, science, CNC means science. Okay. I started a company, Xciencia, where science and maths is like the under roof. Any kind of research, any kind of engineering can be done under Xciencia roof. That is how I openly, like a R&D center, I opened a company and I worked there as a senior developer and a managing director there. Okay, and I had a team of 12 people there. So we used to build projects for companies, for engineering students also, and also for helping people learn and get trained. So here it was a 3 years journey. Okay, I made a very good business out of it, and I learned a lot. And after 3 years I realized that, okay, like but as being the most senior most person in my company, I might and world has evolved a lot. And that was the time of corona also, where I got a time to sit, and because 3 years are entirely busy, 24 hours, 7 days in a week I used to be busy. I never realized that, okay, I have to learn a lot also, because I was directly like implementing things what I had. So after 3 years when corona hit and I got some relaxation time, that is when I realized that, okay, there are so many things evolved. Like DevOps technology came, machine learning came, data science came. We used to work on data science, machine learning, and all. Blockchain came. So entire new technology when it world. I thought, okay, and Corona was a very good thing happened to me, not to the world. Okay, so in that time, okay, I found that, okay, like I can work from home, and parallelly I can just head my business and I can concentrate on my learning also. So I had 9 hours in a day to work for the company and the rest of the day for my just to manage my team. So I was not a part of my team, but my company, but I was just managing it. And so when I joined Deloitte as a AWS Python developer. And then after working there for a year, okay, so to upgrade myself, I went to uh, Dell. Okay, and in Dell, I was a DevOps and AI engineer and a Python engineer. So till last September 2024, okay, I was in Dell as an AI engineer, so that is my professional journey. And after that, okay, I'm a CEO of this company, where I'm leading this company towards the growth. Okay, so my technologies, my expertise specifically comes from embedded IoT, full stack, machine learning, deep learning, blockchain, and generative AI. So this is about me. So I'm gonna tell you, okay, why you should do this internship, okay, and what is the benefits you're gonna get it. Okay, so as I have 9 years of experience and mentored more than 5,000, 50,000 people, okay, telling them, okay, how do you study for cracking interviews. I have a book also, okay, how to crack coding interview on Amazon Kindle. Okay, you can go and check it that out also. Okay, so that is what I am. Okay, and I hope, okay, I can help you out in understanding, okay, if you want to land up the job in the IT industry, what you can actually do. So that is about me. So the main agenda of this webinar, okay, many students when they are in engineering, okay, most of them has gone because of their parent pressure or the society pressure. Okay, some we have to have a degree today, okay, and they are doing it. But in VTU has there been from like 60, I think 60 years. Okay, after independence, if I take also almost 70 years. I don't know exactly when it started, but VTU from that time, okay, I think Vishweshwaraya's name it is. So good engineering people are there in the VTU, and somehow it is surviving, and it has 3 lakh student means, okay, yes, very good team is there, okay, and syllabus is there. But yes, they are also improving. Everybody in this world are improving. So VTO found out that, okay, like in 2016, 17, okay, when the survey was done in the entire Indian education system and employability concept, okay, the survey found that the engineering who are passing out, okay, they don't have the skills required for the industry. Okay, so that is when AICTE from means the Delhi, this thing, and VTU and most other universities thought that, okay, as this huge gap is keep on growing, okay, that engineering what they're studying and what is happening, that is when they thought, okay, internship is should be a mandatory thing. I think 2018 is some time when VTU implemented as an internship is a mandatory thing. At least for a month, a student should go learn from industry. Okay, so what is an internship? Why a person should do, why a student should do internship? What should be the key takeaways if you are getting inside an internship? Okay, what should be your outcome? Okay, if you are seeing just a certificate, okay, it's very most of the people's view of seeing that, but that is not what is internships about. Just to satisfy VTU, okay, we'll give a certificate and they'll give me a degree. Okay, that is not what is internship is about. Okay, what is an internship? It is an hands-on practice of the job role, okay, which you aspire to do it in the future. Okay, so in the world there are some jobs, okay, which can be learned within a day or two, and there are some jobs, okay, which you learn, which will take some time, might be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, based on our capabilities. Okay, so internship is really good, specifically in nowadays scenario, because of we don't get hands-on things in our colleges, because that is academically designed. Okay, we don't get the ecosystem there, okay, to do our hands-on skills. Okay, so let us give an example why internship is important. Okay, so imagine, okay, you want to means a person who wants to have a garage, okay, who wants to repair cars, okay, or a person who want to learn swimming, okay, or a person, okay, who want to be fit, okay, or a person, anybody, okay, who want to do something. Okay, if I come and simply explain him, okay, see, this is how a swimming should do. Okay, you should simply hold your hand like this, okay, push like this, okay, and if you do like this, okay, you will learn swimming. Okay, or else if I tell, okay, if I teach anybody, sit, okay, this is an engine, this is what it is, okay, this is screw, this is whatever I teach, okay, how much ever I teach, okay, at the end of the day that person has to actually get inside the water and learn swimming. Yes or no? Okay, so if a person has to repair a car, okay, and or a laptop or anything, okay, if you want to learn that skill, he has to actually not just listen, he has to practically do it. Correct. So that is what is internship is about. Okay, so you will get exposure to do your work hands on, so that, okay, the before even you get inside an actual job, so that from the first day your skills are ready. So what should be the key takeaway? The ultimate goal is to build employability and professional confidence 100%. That is the thing, but majorly capability to start doing the job immediately from the first day. please ask yourself, if you're a VTU student, means not just VTU student, any student, or in any in that case, okay, so are you today, immediately tomorrow, if you get an offer letter, okay, and if you join a company, it might be a 4 lakh package or a 45 lakh package, okay, can you start the work from the first day, like how a person is doing in the company? Okay. If your answer is yes, according to you, I seriously feel okay, you can see, you can go. But if you have this question, okay, if you have this doubt that okay, can I actually go and work from the first day? Okay. If you have the doubt that okay, I might not. Okay. If you have the confirmation from your own side, okay, if you feel that okay, I might not execute on the first day, okay. So internship is for you guys. Okay. So, and when if you join an internship, as you have VTU been very generous to give 4 months of internship for you guys. Okay. And in 4 months, yes, anybody can become a good developer. Okay. Given the right efforts and right this thing. So that is what internship is about. Okay. And internship is not about just taking a certificate and doing this thing. Okay. How to learn, sit and learn. Okay. And basically, you should spend this time to make so that okay, when you get an offer letter from any company, you should be able to do the job from the first day itself. Okay, hope you understand that. If you have any doubts, please put a comment. Okay, I'll give you the answers there. Okay, so the yes, after we understand what is internship, okay, why should you do it from Techno Solutions? Who are we? Yeah, so 100%, as I said, humans, okay, we have to ask questions. Okay, so why should any person, any student should do internship with us? There are n number of reasons. Let us start with one of them. Okay, our expertise into embedded systems, IoT solutions, full stack development, machine learning, Gen AI, blockchain. Okay, who we are a research and development company specifically into robotic and generative AI in the heart of Bangalore. Okay, we have offices in Jayanagar, Aranagar, and Vijayanagar. Okay, we have three campuses. Okay, why join us? Okay, because most of the people from past 8 years, okay, I have served. Means many people have done internship with us. I'll show you the testimonies also. What our student has to say about us. Okay, what and I'll give you the case studies who has done internship, what they have actually able to achieve. Okay, after doing internship with us, okay, I'll do some of the case studies. I cannot 100% explore all the people stories. Okay, so I'll give you some of the case studies in some time. Okay, please stay tuned. Okay, so Techmiya Solutions is not only about okay our expertise in this thing. Okay, please wait till the end of this session webinar, okay, so that you can seriously understand okay why internships are, and you can, I'm telling you, okay, it is a very exciting offer. Okay, and you will get it at like very great price also. Okay, so please stay tuned. Okay, and make sure okay you are watching this. We'll reveal the offer within some time. It's webinar is not going to be a very long webinar. Okay, within few some time we'll be able to do it. Okay, so let us get deeper into the company's work, what we are actually. So Techma Solution is a robotic and AI innovation company. We have been doing R&Ds like from past 1 year and built a robot also, and we are ready with the POC and MVP, and we have a lot of pre-orders also. Okay, so anybody who joins internship, when you come to the office, okay, you'll be able to see the robot which you have built. Okay, there are some videos available on YouTube also. Okay, I think news channels have covered us in the startup park when we are given this thing, and when we are part of Bangalore Tech Summit also, most of the people have seen our product. So I'll show you that also, which YouTube channel you can go and check it out. Okay, means in the news channels, News 18 has covered us. And then who we are, 100% means we are in the innovation rooted in the Silicon City of India, that is Bangalore, Janagar. Okay, so robotic company. We are a team of passionate engineers. Okay, like where we are trying to build the future. Okay, so because why I'm telling this, and our tagline is also tech for people. Okay, because and the name of the company is Techmiya. Techmiya means Miya means basically a human. Okay, so Techmiya means anybody who is doing tech is called as a Techmiya. Okay, so I believe every human in the world is a Techmiya. The reason is because okay, even if you're a cook, okay, you know the science of cooking. Okay, so when you know the science of cooking, when you know science, you're an engineer basically. Okay, so any plumber, anybody in this world, okay, I feel okay when they are human, they are engineers also. Okay, and basically Technia is a synonym of human being. You can consider like that. Okay, Technia means a human who is technically sound or who is implementing any kind of logic in his this thing to do it. So we are Techmia, and tech is for the people, because whatever the technology has been developed in the world, okay, there are some technologies for the animals also, but yes, most of it is for the society. Like society means humans, society. So this is what, and our vision to empower businesses means basically like automate the complex. So if it is a B2B business, if I see, we are going to help most of the businesses to automate their process. Okay, and as the robot is going to be a friend desk of many businesses and education sector, hospital sector, and all. Okay, so that is our mission. Our vision is to be recognized as the leader of robotic innovation across India and beyond India also. Because see, when we talk about robots today, we either think about USA. Okay, we know about Elon Musk. Okay, we think about his company, or China based company, or Japan based company. Okay, so when we see India, India has always been seen as a service provider. We have good people, but we have not we are always been service provider. So our mission, our vision is to make uh, our company in India, across India, and whenever robotic or any kind of innovation, okay, so tech should be the first name what people should know. That is our vision. It's a very long vision. Okay, hope it will happen very soon. Okay, so but I have this thing. Our commitment to deliverable, sustainable, scalable. Okay, so theoretical things are there, but to be frank, okay, it's very simple words. If I want to say what Techmiya wants to do, anybody who pays them anything, we have to win-win-win situation is there. Okay, whichever customer comes to us, it might be into a tech business, it might be into any customer who is going to whom you are going to serve. Okay, we want to give more worth than what they have paid us. Okay, that is simple. That is what is our commitments towards the this thing. So core technologies we harness: advanced AI algorithms. See, generative AI or AI is, okay, it's not one single technology. Okay, AI is again artificial intelligence. Okay, that means, okay, in this world anywhere intelligence is there, that can be artificially created. So AI is not only for some specific domains. Everywhere AI can be implemented. Where a human natural intelligence was doing some of the work, human were doing work. Okay, there AI can come and work for you. Because we are trying to receive AI means, okay, we are going towards the intelligence understanding. So from the humans evolution, we have been knowing that, okay, humans are behind. Okay, how human is created. Okay, what is the things happening in the brain. Okay, what is neuro this thing. So we are curious beings. Okay, asking that. So AI is something. So IoT and cloud integration, these are the things what we do. Okay, our solution portfolio: industrial automation, custom robotic systems, AI powered optimization. So anybody who is joining us, okay, we will be doing projects towards most of these things. Why choose our company? This is ecosystem hub. Okay, we have an entire system where you can come, okay, and you can learn. See, we can learn the entire software development life cycle or a project development life cycle in this entire internship. Okay, engineering talent and strategical advantages if you join this thing is impact and success stories. Okay, just to do in one slide, not going to depth in there. Okay, so more than 50,000 corporate engineering to training things we have done. Okay, and 40% of error reduction in the sense, if any task was happening and there were errors, so because of our solutions we have been able to reduce 40% of it, and 30% throughout the increase. So we have increased the company's outcomes in from 30% of it. Okay, so our team, let us looking ahead. Yes, take it. So this is about company. I think it will be like more time if you go in that thing, because we'll be going away from the agenda. Let us. So Techno Solution is basically a robotic and AI company. Okay, where you can learn these things. So Techmiya EdTech is a new wing. Okay, which is specifically we have created our own LMS portal. I'll show you that also. We have created our own job portal. Okay, so as a being, okay, who wants to give back to the society. Okay, so I have always realized, okay, means I wanted always to give back to the society, because ultimately human feel happy when they help the society, when they see others happy. Okay, so that is where, okay, so money can give us satisfaction, but along with that some other satisfaction is also there. So for me the satisfaction is when my person comes and tells me that, okay, I have not known this, I am able to understand by your this thing, or because of like you, because of your help, okay, we were able to like go land up a proper technical job. Okay, this is something. So we have created our own LMS. Okay, and a job portal which I'll be showing you. And this internship is purely be aligned with the VTU norms. Okay, And what VTUs, these things are there. So anybody who joins VTU, 100% you have to apply from the VTU portal itself. Okay, and you will see it, okay, means everything will be aligned with the this thing. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so and Joel is one of the CEO of Techmiya EdTech. So the new wing which we have, okay, Joel is the EdTech thing. You will be seeing him in multiple videos in the upcoming days. Okay, please stay till the end. Okay, so that I can give you good offers. Okay, so Techmiya EdTech mission, vision, and all will I'll tell you. Okay. So see, this is the statistics what you have studied. Okay, I was telling you, right? Why VTU might have, see, why VTU didn't introduce internship in 2000? Why not in 1990? Why in 2017, 2018? Why in recent 5-10 years of this thing? Because of this kind of study. Okay, this employability crisis in education system, because of this study only, VTU chairmen and AICT chairmen, okay, they have to come up with this concept of internship. Because you can, if you see the graph, okay, this is employability, and this vertical thing is employability, and horizontal thing is the projected, okay, how many people are really employable to get a job in the market. Okay, so from 2020, each and every year it has been duplicating. Okay, from 50% it has now gone to 42%. Okay, so that means every year the people, the engineering students who are coming out, okay, they are lacking skills, and there is a huge gap created between the college and this means academic and the industrial expectations. Okay, so this is the study done. That's the reason. Okay, like this is the actual problem which we are trying to solve. Okay, we want to improve this graph and take it to 100%. That is our this thing. So how Techme will do it? By conducting workshops and all such kind of things. Okay, so this is our office photos. Okay, so yes, so that is about the edtech this thing. Okay, so now coming to the internship program. Okay, so how this internship program is gonna be executed? Okay, if you have that doubt, okay, if you're a VT student and if you're a student basically, so if you are, how this internship program is gonna work out? Okay, means how this program is gonna be executed. So what, according to our company and what we are gonna follow process is like the VT is set 4 weeks. You guys have exams till Jan 15th, I guess. So after Jan 15th, take some time. Okay, till 26th, Jan 26th. Okay, from Jan 27th or Feb first week, we want to start our internship program. It will be Monday to Friday, because as a software company, we work Monday to Friday. So minimum 2 hours of mentorship daily, online or offline, it will be. Okay, based on that this thing, and structured sessions. Okay, so per day you'll be getting hands-on task. Okay, per every day you will have task. Weekly reviews will be there. Okay, so that we can monitor, okay, what you have actually done. And hybrid mode this thing, so you will be like 100% you have to come offline. Okay, but in a week, sometimes 5 days, sometimes 3 days. Okay, it depends on that. Okay, you have to come. And compliance tracking, we are gonna, as VTO has to, we have to show your attendance, each and everything. Okay, so we have a tracking system, we are gonna track it. And internship program is also been, since generally it's been going to split like four these things. So anybody who is getting a paid internship with us, okay, so we are gonna split internship into these kind of four phases, where the first phase will be, okay, you will be given brush up, or you can like brainstorming on the technologies what is required to build our project. Okay, so the first part will be in that way, where you will learn. If you don't know anything, if you have, because 100%, if you are a person who have not been curious till today, if you don't know anything, don't worry. If you know anything, everything also, it is, the program is still for you. Okay, because the initial days will be like brainstorming what is required for the industry. So 25% of this industry, four parts. First part is like, okay, where we'll do brainstorming, we'll give you understanding of, okay, what is required for the means to do this, complete this project. Second thing, very specific to the project, means project knowledge. Okay, so first will be like basically improving your skills. Second phase will be improving your knowledge on the product, what you're gonna do. Okay, what you're gonna build. Okay, on the product knowledge. And third phase is something where our team will show you how our projects are being built. Okay, how the actually in industry, how the projects are being built, so you can see, watch, okay, and ask questions and learn how it is being done. So first you will improve your skills. required for doing projects. Okay, imagine you want to do a AI project, so, or a generative or a machine learning project. So first you should know Python, you should know uh, uh, coding things, you should know a little bit of HTML, CSS, might be if you want to design a page and all. So you should know those basic skills, and then you should have knowledge, domain knowledge, algorithmic knowledge. Okay, what project, okay, about the data you need to study. Okay, so those things will be in the second phase. Third phase we will show you. And fourth phase will be the very huge part of it, where we will be assigning your task and you'll be implementing it with our mentorship, with means basically with our mentorship. Okay, we'll be telling you, we'll be guiding you throughout the process, and we will make sure you are building it so that you learn the skills. Because as we discussed, the takeaway is you should have the skills to do the required job. In the first day you should start the job. So we will give you the process, okay, where we'll stand and simply watch. First it will be like, okay, I do, you watch. Second thing, we'll do it together. Third way, where you do, I'll watch, means my mentors will watch. Okay, so that is three phases. First phase is where I do, you watch, you learn. Okay, second phase is we'll do it together. Third is when we watch and you do. Okay, so that is how internship roadmap will be. Okay, so our offices in Jayanagar, Vijayanagar, and Aranagar, and Davangere also we have. Okay, that is my native. And there we have. So I'm really sorry to say this, okay, but in VTU portal, let me first show you VTU portal and let me come back to you. Okay, so yeah, so if you go to VTU portal, you can see our company has been approved. Okay, and from our company we have given 13 internships, 13 internship programs from our company has been approved. Okay, so first let me talk about this one. Means as a company where you are we have a team of content creation for ourselves. So we wanted there, okay, a good people who are really good in content creation or digital marketing or SEO, this thing. Because as a company we have a marketing team also in our company. We have a sales team, we have a finance team, we have an accounting team, we have our operational team, software development team, and all teams are there. So for marketing, digital marketing interns, we had this. Okay, but this is paid stipend is there, because the first day, because we our process of hiring in digital marketing in such a way that, okay, he should be the first day itself they are going to work actually in this. That's the reason stipend is provided there. And this one is already been filled. Okay, digital marketing has been live from past 6 months. May we got registered, approved with VTU, and I think recently we had this. Okay, so this has been approved since May, and all these things have been completed. We wanted some business developers for ourselves. So many engineering students who are interested in business part and MBA students are joined. This is also been like closed. The marketing internship is closed. Business developer is closed. So please don't apply for these. Okay, because you can there are, I think, one my team is pinging me. Okay, one opening still in business developer, but if you are really good in business development, please then only apply for this internship. Okay, and then full stack development, I have got 5,000 offers, means this thing. Okay, students, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, see, imagine, okay, you want to uh, hire somebody. Okay, imagine yourself as a company owner or a HR person. Okay, and you want to hire somebody. Okay, example, imagine, okay, you are a person, okay, who runs a boutique. Okay, means where this designer dresses are done. Okay, when you want to hire, okay, if a person walks to you and you are hiring for tailors. Okay, if a person walks to you and he says, okay, I've never done tailoring. Okay, and give me a job and start paying me. Okay, will you do that? Okay, because you have only one opening and you have very limited resource, means money to pay, means your money. Okay, will you hire a person who has already skills of tailoring and you will take him, or you will take a person and you will do it? Okay. So very clear answer, right? Anybody, okay, when you are assigning a task and you are going to pay them, okay, you want them to know it from the first day. You don't want to sit them with them and teach them again. Okay, might be yes, 100% skill they should have, knowledge you can train, because domain knowledge you might have to train, because my designing style might be different. Okay, my customers are different. He might be a kid designer, kid tailors. Now he's coming into this women's or men's clothing. So might be there a little difference will be there. But yes, he should have skills. at least, and the attitude, right attitude to come inside. So full stack development also have got so many things, but yes, we have very limited. We have only like almost 25 to 50, but almost everything is filled, I think. There also we don't have anything left. So digital marketing interns free and these three things, okay. There is no use of applying for these things, okay, because almost been there, and 26th to the last day. But again, yesterday VTU has extended the date of approvals, okay, till 10th, because most of the students had applied, but they have not given approval from the company side yet, because most of the companies are having very limited seats to give, okay. If every company, if you simply apply for the companies and they don't have so many seats, they'll not be able to approve for you, okay. So apart from these three, you can apply for month stack development. You can see the pricing here. You have to pay in the video portal itself, okay. Web development intern, don't worry, this is so high, okay, this is not at all high, okay. By the offer what I'm gonna give you, you will feel that okay, this is nothing what I'm going to pay for this, okay. The offer at the end what I'm gonna give you, okay, if you see those offers, this is nothing, okay. You're gonna get lot worth, like 100x worth, okay, than what you're gonna pay. And if it's pretty this month wise, okay, it is not even 3000 per month, okay. So we have month stack development, web development intern, generative AI, okay, cyber security, IoT, embedded systems is there, Java full stack is there, Python full stack is there, data science. So these are the another 12. We had applied for DevOps also, but DevOps, I don't know, like VTU might not be in the syllabus, so they have not approved it, okay. But anyway, so these are the 12 domains which you can apply, okay, and you can learn with this, okay. So the most exciting part of this webinar now, okay, where you are gonna see, okay, what is the benefits for you, okay, by applying for this, okay. Before that, just me take 2 minutes, okay, to explore you about our LMS portal, okay, so that you can know, okay, what you're gonna get, okay. LMS portal. So we have our own LMS portal, learning management system, in which a student will be given access to 300 plus courses, okay. 300 plus courses you will get access, okay. And these courses, if you means, this will be entirely free for you, okay. And you can go only if you join internship, it is free, okay. And if you go and complete these courses, you can get almost 300 certification courses also, means certificates also, okay. You can put that in your LinkedIn, improve your profile, okay. So we have all courses available here, okay. Like this is our LMS portal, okay. Power BI, Excel, machine learning, okay. Python programming, okay. So the introductions is free, but not everything is free if you want to come outside and enroll for this thing. But if you're an internship student, we will get this, okay. So yes, sir, we understand, okay, that okay, we have to do internship, why internship is required and all these things. But what is the benefit as a student if I do internship with you, I'm gonna get? This is one of them, okay. The major thing what you are actually gonna get is, okay, you can see this is our job portal, okay. This is our job portal. I coming from 9 years experience in industry, okay, and working for multiple companies, I have very good contacts in the industry, okay. And I have some companies, okay, they are MNCs and they give us Techmiya solutions the contract of hiring, okay. So we as Techmiya solutions are also into outsourcing. What is outsourcing or staffing? So I take a person, okay, and he joins my company. I'll prepare that, means that person, my payroll, he goes and works in the client location. Okay. So you might have heard, if you have any brothers and sisters, okay, if they are working in MNC, they will say client look, client is there, I have to go to client location. So if you're into TCS also, might be your client will be JP Morgan, might be Dell, might be some other company will be there, okay. So like that, I have specifically, means we have started staffing also, and we have already cracked two companies right now. Metaplore is with us, okay, which is really asking, okay, good developers, okay. And they have lot of openings in the upcoming days in March and February, okay. And they really need very good people, okay, who have good knowledge on machine learning and specifically on generative AI. Very good Python developer they need, okay. Up not only that company, in our job portal you can see there are many postings are there, okay. So this is a demo page which I have opened, okay. But this will be accessible to you only if you join the internship. This intern means this openings will be offered to you, okay. So developer, these things, okay, all these things you can literally apply for free, okay. More than 300 plus freshers openings will be given in this. Okay, means 100%. If the company has opening, then only will they'll come and give us. Okay, without they have opening, okay, they don't want to waste time also taking in interviews. Okay, but from past 3 years the market has been down. Okay, and the next year is the where, okay, where huge market is going to open only for those who are good at AI. Okay, if you are a person, okay, who knows only some basic Java or this thing, no, I'm sorry. Okay, you might have to again say do these things. Okay, if you want a job in tomorrow's market, to tomorrow's future, you're aspiring person who want to and land up having job in the IT market today, you must know AI. Must. Okay, there is no button. Then I'll learn nothing. You have to learn. Okay, must learn. Must know what is AI, how to do with AI. Okay, and implement AI. Okay, see, when I was in Dell in 2022, in 22 company started, I integrated black box AI. I integrated GitHub Copilot into my VS Code. Okay, I integrated GitHub Copilot also. Okay, so 2022 they started telling us implement it. It is 2026 in another 5-10 days. Okay, in 2022 they said so many, means everybody in the company, okay, to do it. Okay, I was in Dell, so almost 1,20,000 people were there when I was in 2022. Okay, 2022 they started giving us trainings with their money. We simply have to learn things. Okay, 2023 came, 2022 4 April came. Okay, in 2024 April, okay, we got a warning saying that okay, everybody must learn. Okay, and who has not completed, there was a deadline given, we have to complete these things. Okay, and after 3 months, in July, many people got laid off. Almost they cut off like their 20% of this thing. 30,000 people got laid off. Okay, when I realized, when I started asking the people who are getting laid off, okay, what was the thing, and I wanted to understand. Okay, because uh, I was also there. Okay, might be I will also get targeted. Okay, so I wanted to understand. I started asking people, okay, what is this, okay, what is that, and what was your work and all. So when I observed, the most of the people, okay, either they had very huge package, okay, and companies were like seeing them as a this thing. But apart from that, the major thing, the 90% of the reasons was okay, they didn't upgrade themselves to AI. Okay, they were not, they were like people, okay, I have 8-10 years experience, I have 25 experience. Okay, I know things that AI faster than AI I can do. Okay, why should I learn AI? Okay, why should I do these things? Okay, why should I integrate GitHub Copilot when my coding is faster? Why should I do this vibe coding? Okay, because of such things. Okay, they were like okay, companies were not means company were like okay, they got a reason to do this thing. Okay, so but now those people, okay, who got laid off, okay, now they are coming to us, okay, and learning by paying their own money and upgrading themselves. Okay, and going back to the industry. Okay, they have got laid off, they are staying in home from 1 year, 6 months might be. Okay, and so many companies are there who have said them okay, like I'll give you 3 months salary, sit in home and search for some other job. Okay, the all these things happening, might be you are listening, Infosys laid off, everybody laid off, laid off, laid off. The reason, if you go, actual reason is, one of the reason is this. Okay, they are not upgrading themselves. Okay, so either you learn from the money of a company and you improve when you are inside the company itself. So that means okay, when you're doing a job, you have to take every day some hour to improve yourself. Agile, you have to be an agile person, okay, who learns every day something new. Okay, what is there in the market? If not, company will remove, get back in home, okay, sit again, do a course somewhere, okay, learn the new technology from an expert, and then go back. But 3-4 months of depression phase you have to go. Okay, so you choose what is good for you. So we have a portal where you can come and apply, okay, for these things. Okay, so let me go back to the this thing. Okay, so yes, so please stay, I'll give you the offers. So we have come to the phase, okay, where we're gonna discuss and talk about the see our companies. Let me just give an overview. So at Dell I have good contacts. Okay, I can get you there. Okay, Tech Mahindra people are there. Huawei, because I've worked there, I know those people. Okay, Encora is also my very known this thing. Metaplore I'm not added, I guess. Okay, so these are the places where our students, well, my students, okay, or my people, okay, my friends, they are working in these companies right now. And idea is one. Okay, I'm a friend, one person working in Google as an engineer. Okay, and Intel is also there. Intel Sachin is there. Okay, our labs I have. So all these companies we can help you to this thing. Not only these, there are many other companies in the market today. Okay, we are who we are literally looking. So right now I have an opening for a company called as Atrial. They are looking for React.js developers and AI engineers. Metaflow opening is there right now. Okay, if you have good skills right now and you know that okay you can crack Python interviews. Okay, and not just you're a student. Okay, if you are a passed out and you have gaps, okay, you can send a resume to me. Okay, send at the rate HR at the rate Techmiya Solutions to techmiya@tech.com. You can send a resume to me. Okay, we will conduct your interview. If you're really good, we will do the staffing from our side to you guys. Okay, so those are the things. Okay, these are the some of the people means students of our old students are there. Okay, so yes, and also the as an edtech company, what services we provide? We do corporate trainings, robotic workshops, full faculty development programs. We do student development programs. We do. This is the edtech part, not the companies. Techmiya Solutions and Techmiya Edtech are two different companies. There are two different entire different teams. Okay, the entire different concept. This thing. So as like Tata has steel industry, also Tata is into consulting services. Or Techmiya is also into two different domains, robotic manufacturing and providing B2B business. There is again a tech this also. Okay. So anyway, coming to the specific case studies. Okay. So recently, I personally has mentored Nihal. Okay. So Nihal is one of our person who did a very long internship with us. Okay, he is 2022 pass out. 2023 2024 he was doing some random courses in so many other so-called great institutes. Okay, institutions which will tell you that okay we will give you that many interviews, this package will who will basically sell you dreams. Okay, so that is what he went, and he was in a PG. Okay, I went to a PG, so okay I can help my one of my student to get a nice PG. So I was just going, I helped him. That day Nihal was standing there. Okay, and I simply asked him what you're doing. Okay, finding that okay he was a nice guy, I told him okay you come, okay, and do an internship with us. Okay, and see, he passed out of 2022, 2023, 2024 he wasted. 2024 September he joined. Okay, recently, okay, just 1 month back he got an offer letter. Okay, can anybody guess how much is the offer letter? Okay, when he was doing internship he used to get stipend of 20,000 rupees. Okay, so imagine, okay, if you are having today's 20,000 rupees to next job, how much you will get paid? How much money you will get paid? Okay, if you are having a 20,000 job today, okay, next month how much should be you will be expecting? Okay, 1 year experience you have, 1 year I completed, how much hike? The maximum a corporate company gives is 30% hike. Okay, 20%, 2,000, 20,000, 30% is 6,000. So that means he should his next salary, if he has performed very well, anything, okay, it should be how much? 26,000. Correct. But let us see what offer he has got. Okay, because of his improved skills. Okay, so this is the offer letter. Okay, of Nihal. Okay, see his joining was in just 3 days back. 22. This thing he has joined. Okay, and Dexian company. Okay, so okay, you can see 13 lakh. How much is his package? 13 lakh. Because he in this 1 year he got hands-on experience and knowledge. Okay, uh, so 13 lakh. So per month take away 99,000. So from 20,000 to direct jump of 1 lakh means 400% hike. When you have skills in the market, okay, this is what happens with you. Okay, so if you are don't think that okay as a fresher, okay, if you get a 5,000 job, 10,000 job, 15,000, 20,000, take it, take it. Okay, please take it if you are getting anywhere any kind of random job like this. Okay, but the question what you should ask is whether I am doing a proper technical job or not. If it is really technical and improves your technical skills, go please get it within 1 year. Okay, or maximum 2 years. Okay, you will have a 400% hike. Okay, even a fresher who lands up who gets a college offer that okay 4 lakh rupees to go to 13 lakh package, he spends almost 4 to 5 years. Okay, but his thing, okay, he recently got, okay, that's the reason I asked him, okay, can we use it, okay, he sent us this thing, okay. So he recently got, so this is a very recent example which I wanted to share with you. And Ullas I know personally because I have mentored him. Vijay I know personally. Vijay's package is 25 lakh. Okay, Gaurish is into I think Wipro now, it is in Infosys. Okay, he is having like 14 lakh package. He was a BCA lecturer. Okay, making 15,000. Okay, now he's a very good position right now. He recently got married also. Shrikant he joined as a fresher with us. Okay, and he is an iOS developer right now. Shrikant is iOS developer. Okay, in a company near to I don't know his company name. Okay, he's near this Prestige in this Kaban Park. There's a company iOS developer. Is Chef Fatima. She is into TCS. Okay, she is also did MTech, and uh, she improved herself with us. Okay, Sana is into Oracle. Ullas is into Oracle. She is a database administrator. Okay. Nikhil, he comes from civil background. Okay. He had a gap and wanted to get into industry. Okay. Came to us. Okay. Learned. He did a 6 months course, but he has to spend almost 9 months with us. Nikhil, I have put here because he attended 180 interviews. He attended 180 interviews during 2023. Okay, he attended 180 interviews. Okay, if I go to his mail ID, if I ask him to show his mail ID, he will show us his 180 interview he attended. It's not just he got on calls. He attended 180 interviews, but he still didn't give up. He landed having 15 lakh package as a DevOps engineer right now. He's a DevOps engineer. Okay, so these are the case studies. Okay, you can if you want. Okay, when you connect to us, okay, I can give you these people. Okay, you can talk to them. I'll call to them to the office. Okay, you can ask them questions. Okay, so this is the case studies. Okay, if you join us, okay, might be yes. Okay, before they came, what they were. After they came, what they were. You can discuss with these guys. Okay, and they can help you with it. Okay, so yes, that is our testimony and case studies. Okay, so now when anything in this world is happening, okay, and specifically when two teams are involved, okay, there are responsibilities each and everybody has to have. Okay, so when it in internship, okay, this internship is not for everybody. Okay, the internship programs, okay, as we have limited seats, as VTU is given us only limited people we have to take. Okay, even if it is paid, okay, we have to take limited people. Okay, so we have created this shared responsibility model. Okay, where we are telling what is your responsibility and what is our company's responsibility. Okay, so as an intern, these are your responsibilities. Okay, you have to maintain attendance and discipline. Okay, you have to do that. Task completion, what we are people who assign you task, and completion of task must be completed by you. Okay, 100%. If you might have heard this, okay, I can take a horse to the till the water. Okay, who has to drink water? Horse has to drink. Okay, that thing. Okay, proactive communication. Some people, what they do now, they come and join. Okay, after 3 months, no communication. They come join, they talk to us. Okay, after 3 months, they are like vanished. Suddenly last day they'll come. Okay, sir, college is asking. Yes. Okay, if you want to seriously take away actual takeaways of the internship, okay, that is not how we do. Please have proactive communication, project execution, basically task completions. What is our company? Structured mentorship. I have to give you real world projects. I have to give you resource and supports for that. Okay, if you have any permission access, if you are doing a cloud project, I need to give you access for that. Okay, and lastly, recognition and certification. Whatever you do, we will give you recognition and certification for it. Along with that, okay, you will get an access to our job portals and LMS, these things and all. Okay, so yes, now the time for revealing the offer. Okay, so very excited. I hope you are excited to see what is the offer. Okay, what is we gonna offer us. Okay, so this is an offer for the people who are attending right now this live. Okay, within 15 minutes, if you do this, okay, if you enroll for internship via VTU portal, okay, you can go to VTU, okay, and do this. Okay, if you want, I can put the VTU portal link now itself. Okay, I'll start the 15 minutes timer, then I'll put it. Okay, so what are you are gonna get? Okay, very excited to tell you guys. Okay, first thing, 6 lakhs worth, 6 lakhs worth free LMS subscription for an this thing. So 300 plus courses you are gonna get. Okay, and then you'll get a digital voucher of 30,000 rupees. Okay, you're gonna get a voucher of 30,000 rupees which you can use to do a offline course with Techmiya Tech, you can come and do it. Okay, so that is what you can utilize for yourself, or you can give it to your friends also. Okay, so this can be a gift to your friends, okay, who can't afford this thing. Okay, so for them you can give this voucher. Okay, but yeah, the eligible thing is there. Okay, and premium job portal, our job portal. Okay, it's, if you want to get this thing, okay, means the subscription of that, it is 6,000 per year. Like how we have to take in Naukri, it is 6,000 per year. This will also be free for you. Okay, so as an internship student, you can apply for all the jobs what are there in the portal. Okay, and this portal this only you guys can apply for this, not of the rest of the world cannot go and apply for this. Okay, only for you guys. Okay, only when you give you the login credentials, only then you can apply for this. Okay, without that nobody else can go and apply. And this companies personally has an MOU with the our company. Okay, it's not that okay we are taking from LinkedIn and posting it, we're taking from Naukri posting, nothing like that. Okay, your application will directly go to the company's HR. Okay, whatever the application you apply, that will directly go to the company's HR. That is how this job portal is designed. Okay, so performance awards, we have best performance award. Okay, anybody who is joining us internship, and if he has performed really well, okay, we have awards for those people. Okay, you will get cash, hand cash. Okay, not in voucher. Okay, you will get a cash to your hand. Okay, so that is performance award. We are gonna have a good performance award and a project idea award. If you have done a good project idea and if you have executed project this thing, we are gonna have multiple cash performance awards will be there. And it's 4 month internship, 100% you will get that official certificate. Some does VTU from us. Okay, and you'll get international exposure by the getting this certification. So global certification, basically you'll get these offers. Okay, so these are the things. But wait, okay, these are not only the things what you're gonna get. Okay, once you join, okay, there are lot many gifts waiting for you in our office. Okay, once you join, there are so many things. So totally 6,60,000 plus worth of packages. Okay, worth of things you are going to get for, I think we have for in VTU portal it is 14,000 something from 19,000 rupees, not even 3,000 per month. Okay, guys, you go and eat Domino's pizza. Okay, you 1,000 rupees gone there. Okay, might be if you eat somewhere. Okay, like this. So not even this thing. Okay, this is very small if you see, and this is also something. See, if you want to succeed in life, you have to invest the money which you don't have and the time which you don't have to succeed. Okay, so, and the best investment a human being can do is on education. Okay, on learning. Okay, so please, you can go enroll for this. Okay, that many things. Okay, and this offers is only for, this is not for all the people who are gonna do internship with us. These are offers only for the people, okay, who are gonna do means enroll for this internship by within this 15 minutes of time. Okay, so if you do within this 15 minutes of time, all these offers are gonna be like applied for you, and you will get all these things. Okay, so this, see, LMS and this thing, I think job portal, so everybody will get, but this voucher and this performance award, you're eligible only if you join. You'll not be eligible in the calculation also. Okay, if you are doing this. Okay, so this voucher and this thing and some more other gifts, what is there. Okay, so all those things are going to be getting in this thing. Okay, so, and before that, okay, I want to show that. Okay, like so you can go and watch us on this channel also. So we had been giving an interview in News 18 channel. We had our robot presented there. This is the robot which you have done. Okay, you can get back to us and ask this. I'll put this videos, this also in a link in the YouTube. Means the live thing. Okay, you can go and do that. This is our demo portal LMS. Okay, what else? What else I have to tell you? Okay, so you can reach out to me in LinkedIn also. Okay, and you can do this. Okay, and this is our company website. Okay, yeah, and here also we have I think internship enroll for internship form is here also. Okay, any after, if you already enrolled to any other VT internship in the market. Okay, and if you still feel that okay, if you want to join us, okay, you can still do it. Okay, And that is what I can say. Okay, not after, might be after 6 months, sir, we have already got it. Okay, I want to join you. Okay, let me complete VTU thing, and after engineering I want to come and join. Okay, we are open to that also. You can come and join there that time. But yeah, offers might not be there, but you can still come and do internship with us. We have our own internship, this thing. Okay, you can come join there and do it. But yes, for this VTU thing, so you have to come from VTU portal. That every link is there in the VTU portal. Please go enroll from here only, pay there only, and just share the screenshot with us. Okay, screenshot will have timing so that we know that okay, you have applied in the same time, and we can give you the right vouchers to you guys. Okay. Yes, so let me start the timer for you guys. Okay. So I am open to any questions right now. Okay, till the timer is there, and you can go and enroll in the VT portal. Can I- Yes, uh, this link I'll put it here. So it is easy for you to find. You can go apply for this. Which is better, sir? Okay, I have one question here. Okay, so as to answer this, okay, uh, it's purely up to you. Which if you are a good at designing, then please get into full stack development and all because you're a good designer and all. Okay, if you're a mathematical and sound guy, then please go for technology like machine learning, data analytics, and generative AI. Okay. So the internship is designed in such a way that all the internships will help you with almost every domain. It is not that okay if you join full stack development, you'll not listen anything about machine learning or generative AI. Even in full stack development, we will give you an overview of machine learning and all. As a generative person, 100%, you have to know a little bit of full stack. So today's domain, there is nothing like okay, there's one specific thing. As an developer, you should know testing also because you do unit testing. Okay, you should know database also. You should know database admin. You should know data tools also because you should know if you're a full stack developer, you should know what the protocol does, what does protocols actually do. You should know multi-threading, multi-processing. You should know GitHub. You should know DevOps concepts like okay, tools like Jenkins. Docker must be known by you. Kubernetes must be known by you. Cloud computing is 100% as a developer. You are going to deploy it. So that is also something okay which you want to explore. Okay, so this internship is designed in such a way that okay, if you do a project, you will learn almost everything is be covered. Okay. But we have specific names just because okay, like most of the 99% of that or 95% of the work will be like concentrated to that specific domain, and the rest all 5% will explore. Anybody who has put hi sir, good morning, good morning to you guys. See, no, I think okay, VTU has only one offer. Okay, you can do only one thing. Okay, so if you want to do two internships and if you feel that okay, you can handle two internships. Okay, so I suggest okay, like means from my side for VTU, you should do, but doing more is never means nothing is enough in this world. Okay, so if you do more, if you can handle two internships, apply. But I think for VTU, you have to apply only one. In VTU portal, you can. Exceptions will be only one. You cannot do from two companies. That I 100% because you have to give opportunity to other people also. So as video has spread some companies, so all 3 lakh people should be able to do internship. So that is something. Job perspective, see again as I said, okay, like which job, which please analyze yourself, okay, whether a good designer or mathematical guy, okay, how is it, okay. So today's job. If you ask me the specific question, like okay, if it is today's job, then I suggest okay, please go apply for generative AI, okay, and machine learning and deep learning. Anyway, you learn full stack there. But as I said, don't have to worry the people who are going to apply for one stack, full stack, and all. We will make sure okay, you learn and you know the other streams also. Just another 10 minutes to apply. You'll get all these kind of offers. It's a very interesting question. I feel it's difficult. See, in today's world, okay, if you don't want to do coding, you can still easily go work in a company and do a software developer job also. But if you don't know to write code, it is fine. But if you want to understand, you have to at least understand the code. Okay, so if you want to have the mindset of okay, like coming from engineering background, okay, if you want to not do coding, there are so many other domains, okay, where you don't have to learn coding and do it. But if you do coding, I personally suggest coding. It is easy for you to do any job. Yeah, and also see one good thing about companies is okay, as a fresher when you join, maximum 3 to 5 based on you. Okay, if you want, you can do coding till 10 years. Okay, but maximum starting 2 to 3 years only. After you will become a technical lead. You just have to review the code. You don't have to sit and read the code. Okay. And 100%, if you feel okay, algorithmic is data structure algorithm is something which is difficult for you, and thinking logically is something okay which and because we have a psychometric test also in our portal. You can come and understand okay what career is good for you, because not everybody in this world is become engineer, because 100% if everybody has to do everybody is same, that which would not have this many different things. Art is different, science is different, commerce is different, and personal self image is different. Our own traits are different. Okay, some people are very kind. Okay. So being kind, okay, in some places is not really good. Okay. Good in some places, okay, if you are a person who's not good, it's not there. So based on your personality, what suits you better. So coding is for those people okay who are mathematically and in a way of okay questioning and creating algorithms, problem solving skills. These are some things okay which is important for coding. And if you don't come from this background, so many other things okay like as I said, generative AI okay in that okay is just 5%, or any AI called concept is just 5 10%. If you're able to understand it, it's good. But yes, mathematical also please don't do generative AI. Okay, you can get into so many other things. Networking is there, cybersecurity is there, where SOC is there, soft programming, soft is there, and so 7 minutes. So sorry, I'll be doing this session in once in Hindi also, I guess. Okay, so people who want to attend in Hindi or in Kannada also. Okay. I'll be giving this review thing because as it has been extended till Jan 10th. Okay. I'll be conducting this more seminars with all the rest of the engineering students who are there. Yeah, and my sales and marketing team will also be visiting colleges and giving knowledge about this. Okay. They'll be educating you about this internship. Okay. If you have any doubts beyond this, okay, you can approach to us. Okay. Call us on the number okay, of our website. Okay, you can go to the website, can find our number, contact details. Okay, you can call from there. This is the number. Okay, so contact number. Okay, you can mail us also. Okay, that's if you have anything, okay, that's still not been approved, okay, you can give us a call, okay, and tell us that, okay, I have applied for this thing, okay, and if it is in still pending stage or this thing, you can give us a call and we'll approve it. 5 minutes. Okay. So, in the last 5 minutes, I want to thank everybody who has joined this session and given me some, given me your time basically, okay, which is the most valuable thing in the world. Okay, and you have given me time. Okay, I'm very thankful for you guys. Okay, and our team, entire team is thankful for you. Okay, so see, it is not that okay, our relationship stops here. Okay, if you are already enrolled somewhere for internship, still you can come to us. Okay, you can talk to us. We'll be able to help you with the guidance. Okay, and our LMS portal, if you don't join, it is not free. Okay, you can still take that from us. Okay, what is the costing? You can call us and ask. Okay, if you want to take our LMS subscription model or the job portal subscription thing, if you want to take. Okay, so that also you can reach out to us. And also, I suggest. Okay, as a 21-year-old or 22-year-old you'll be, I guess. Okay, 21, 20, 23. I think this is the age when you are in 8th semester of engineering college. Generally, okay, most of according to normalization, this is the age. There might be here and there will be. Okay. But at this age, okay, you need seriously a proper mentor. Okay. And mentor in the sense, okay, you need a person who will guide you through the career journey, career mentor you need. Okay. And I, as a person, okay, whenever I want advice, okay, I go to an expert. I go to an expert of that domain. Okay. I don't go to a doctor and ask, okay, which engineering college is good. Which once I did, okay, I ended up having a very wrong decision there. Okay. But anyway, but from that day, I learned that okay, I have to ask the domain expert the right questions and get things from them. Okay, asking a wrong person is not that from domain. Might be like, okay, just for the sake, okay, he will give you some advice, but it is not the right way of it. Asking suggestions are good, but taken from a right person, experts. Okay. So I'm not saying that Techno Solution is the only one. There are so many things in the market again. Okay, but whenever you do it, please make sure okay the takeaway and the intention of doing this thing is okay met with the takeaway. Okay. So the internship program is actually the takeaway of internship is actually this. Okay, capable to start doing the job immediately from the first day. Please make sure your internship aligned, your internship takeaways is aligned with this statement. Okay. If it is not, then you are doing a wrong internship again. Okay. Ask yourself if you have applied somewhere else also. If you feel that okay, this will not be the takeaway, there is still time. Okay, you can choose what should be done. Okay. So please make sure okay the takeaway. I'm not saying you have to do with us, but you can still contact us. Can any kind of doubts you have regarding your career, this thing you can approach us. We'll be able to help you. And if you have any questions, please do submit and comment. Okay, I'll be able to give you answers there. Okay. Or else my team will come back to you and give you the answers there. So 2 minutes. So just 2 minutes. So come back to the offer thing. Okay. So this irresistible offer for the 15 minutes of people. So this is something which you have got. Okay. Anybody who has enrolled right now. Okay. These things. Okay. And also you will get money back voucher also. Okay. So for the people who have not done it, okay, the people who have done it, thank you. Okay, thank you for registering for it. Okay, I think I have received a lot of applications. Okay, thank you for doing that. Okay, anybody who has not enrolled, okay, I want to thank you guys also, okay, because see, as I said, the relationship is not going to work over, okay, if you don't take the services from us, if you don't enroll for the internship, okay, you can come back to us. Okay, we have some other services to offer you. Okay, you can reach out to us if you need any kind of help regarding to engineering career, any kind of project ideas. Okay, if you have an idea, if you want to start your own business, that also you can come back and connect with us. We'll be able to help you there also. Okay, and anybody okay who has still doubt okay who was not able to do it because of some any other thing you wanted to do it but you couldn't do it okay such people can reach out to us Okay, we'll be able to help you with the offers, and also for the people, okay, who will join. Don't feel okay. These are the only things. Only 60,000. Okay, is the only thing you will get. Okay, you have so many other gifts and offers waiting for you. Okay, if you join, when you join on the first day, I think okay, you'll be able to get all the details of the internship program. What we are gonna actually give you. What are the offers we are gonna give you? Okay. On that note, thank you all for attending this webinar. Okay, it was my first webinar. Okay, I think okay, like I have given my best. Yeah. So thank you all. Okay, please do subscribe the channel also. Okay, and put notification because this is a Techmiya EdTech channel in which we are gonna update a lot of job interview questions, okay, which can help you with your career journey, okay, for your interview preparations, we can help you for uh, learning, okay, we can help you for upskilling, we can help you. Please follow the channel, okay. We have our Instagram page also, you can subscribe to that as well, just follow that also. We have LinkedIn page, okay. Please comment, join the community there also. And anytime, please feel free to reach out to us. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Techmiya doing tech for all the people.